Hello, hello. By the Patram. Hello, hello. Am I audible? Okay. Am I audible? Hi. Good evening, all of you. Hope I'm audible. Welcome back. So today we are going to start with another question paper solving. Thank you for joining with me. Those who have joined the first time today, first time those who are joining the live lectures, please subscribe. Voice is bit low. Is my voice is okay? Guys, am I audible? Hello? Is my voice is proper? Now it's fine. Okay, great. AC போட்டுட்டுருவா. Okay, so let us start. Thank you for joining today. Hope my audio, everything is proper. Let us start, my dear. Okay, now listen here. Tomorrow we have our CA Foundation Paper 3 preliminary examination. Okay, yes. If everything is going fine, I can have this type of sessions. Another 2-3 sessions also we will have. See, this paper solving is going to give lot of ideas, my dear. It is lot of ideas, lot of goosebumps it will give. Because yesterday what we did was, with explanation, we could complete the paper in 1 hour 55 minutes. So today also we'll try. I'm just looking at the question paper now. Okay. Camera zoom. Okay, let me start. I hope everything is perfect now. Okay, So first question, if x is to y is equal to 2 is to 3, then 5x plus 2y is to 3x minus y is equal to, I hope you know it. Sir, simply what we do now, sir, instead of x we'll put 2, instead of y we'll put 3. So what exactly it is? 5 into 2 plus 2 into 3 divided by 3 into 2 minus 3, which is nothing but 10 plus, yeah, 10 plus 6, 16 by 3, 16 is to 3. I hope you are ready with your papers. Please let us try to solve with me, my dear. Next one, 25 whole power 150 is equal to 25x whole power 50. Then the value of x will be, I think this type of question asked once in the examination. So how to proceed further? Just let us try, my dear. So can we have 25 power 150 is equal to 25 power, this 25x whole power 50 can be written as 25 power 50 into x power 50. So which is nothing but, I can just cancel these two, it is going to be 100, right? So to equate, both the index should be same. Here we have got 100, we have got 50. So let me make it as 100 here. Sorry, let us make it as 50 here. So what I can do, sir, you write it as 5 square. This 25 I'm writing it as 5 square. And this 100 I can write it as 2 into 50. Sir, can you please tell me why you are making it as 5 square? Because the options are in terms of 5 powers. So therefore I'm writing everything in terms of 5. So now here it is nothing but 5 power 4, the whole power 50 is equal to x power 50. By equating, x is nothing but 5 power 4. Next, the value of x, y by a by y by b, and a square plus ab plus b square, b by c and c by a. Of course you know what to be done, sir. It's a cyclic expression, sir, with the negative sign. It is y power a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, which is nothing but a cube minus b cube, b cube minus c cube minus a cube. Sir, cyclic expression in the negative index. So therefore the answer is 1, sir. Now this question, log 12 base 24. X is nothing but log 12 base 24, y is log 24 to the base 36, log z is log 36 to the base 48, then xyz plus 1 equal to, look at this, my dear, xyz plus 1. Let me substitute on the left hand side. What is x is? Of course, different bases. In the first step itself, let me apply change of base rule. You know what is change of base rule, log 12 by log 24 into, next one is y. What is y is? Log 24 by log 36 into log 36 by, one sec, log 48. Guys, is everything is all right? Is everything is all right, my dear? Cancel, cancel, cancel. Okay, so what we get is log 12 base, that is log 48. Now listen here, I'm just looking at the options. Options are in terms of x and y and z. So what I'm trying to do is, I'm just going to split it, my dear. I'm just going to split it. Can I split it as log 12 by log 36 into log 36 by log 48? Sir, it's not clear. Right. Is it blurriness? Is there? Is it clear, all of you? Can you please tell me, is it clear? Anusha is saying no. Anusha. Balachandar says it's good. I don't know which one I should follow. Let me just check my this thing. Okay, it's clear. I think little bit blurriness is there, of course. Okay, let it be. Now it's clear, na? Thank you. It's clear, sir. Fine. The blurriness is there. Okay. Fine. That I'll do it later, okay? Because I don't know what exactly the problem is. Fine. Now log 12 by log 36. I'm multiplying divided by log 36. So this can be done as, wait, I think in this confusion I'm doing some mistake. Actually, I missed plus 1. So what exactly will come, my dear? Log 12 by log 48. If I take LCM plus log 48. So log 12 plus log 48, which is nothing but log 12 into 48, 576 divided by log 48. Okay. What is log 576, my dear? What is log 576 is? Sir, log 576 can be written as 24 square divided by log 48, and I can write it as 2 times log 24 divided by log 48. I'm just going to multiply and divide by 36. Log 48. So 2 into log 24 to the base 36, log 36 to the base 48, which is nothing but 2yz. Yes, of course, you may be wondering, sir, should I do this question in this or not? They have to increase the resolution to 480p. Okay, thank you, Shakti Bhaskar. So you need to increase the resolution to 480p. Okay, now listen here, my dear. This question, sir, should I attend this question in the examination or not? If you ask me frankly, I will say if you are very much confident, then only you should attend. Otherwise, these type of questions always, time consuming problems. Also steps to be followed properly. Sir, do we have any other method to follow this? Guys, this is the simplest method what I can tell you. Okay. Now, a person has an asset worth 1,48,200. These are important type questions. He wished to divide amongst his wife, son and a daughter in the ratio 3:2:1 respectively. From this asset share, his wife, not son, his wife will get. Okay, how much is wife's share? That is what you have to find out. Here, first person is what? Wife. Second person, son. Third person, daughter. This is wife's share, son's share, daughter's share. So total how much? 3 plus 2 plus 1, total 6. Out of 6 rupees, wife should get 3 rupees. But actually what? Total amount is 1,48,200. So just cancel it, my dear, 2 times, which is nothing but 74,100. Okay, 74,100. Very good. Next up. XYZ together starts a business. If X invest 3 times as much Y invest. Look at this. X invest 3 times as much Y invest. And Y invest 2/3 of Z invest. See, there are various methods we have got. Just let me follow one method. Okay. Can I write it as X by Y is equal to 3/1? I think we can rewrite this. And Y by Z equal to 2/3. Because they ask you to find out ratio between X, Y and Z. So, actually what is it? X is to Y is equal to 3:1 and Y is to Z is equal to 2:3. Actually what I'm going to find out, joint ratio. When it comes to joint ratio, second part and first part should be same. So can we say it as X is to Y is to Z equal to this place 6:2:3. So our answer is 6:2:3, option D. Yes, continued ratio. Very good. Yes, next one. The ratio of the roots of the equation 4x square minus 6x plus p equal to 0 is 1:2. Then the value of p. I think you know the shortcut. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The condition for the ratios are, that is the roots are in the ratio m:n. What is it? mn b square equal to m plus n the whole square ac. It's a shortcut. It's a trick. So here mn. What is mn? 1 into 2. So 1 into 2. What is b square? Sir, b square is minus 6, sir. Minus 6 the whole square is equal to m plus n the whole square. 1 plus 2 the whole square into AC. What is A? 4 into P. So 36 2s are 72 is equal to 9 into 4 into P. 9 4s are 36, 32 6 2s are 72. So therefore P is nothing but 2. See, it's a trick. I think you know it. Okay, you have it. Somebody says I'm not audible. Am I not audible? Am I audible, my dear? Somebody says I'm not audible. I hope I'm audible, right? Yes, thank you. Please minimize the screen. Okay, fine, thank you. Is it perfect now? Is it perfect now? Okay, now listen here. The roots of the equation x square plus x plus r equal to 0 are alpha and beta. They ask, and alpha cube plus beta cube is minus 6. Find the value of r. We know what is alpha cube plus beta cube formula. What is it? Alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta is equal to minus 6. So what is alpha plus beta is? Sir, minus b by a. What is alpha beta is? C by a. So let us substitute here alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 1 the whole cube minus 3r into minus 1 equal to minus 6. Minus 1 the whole cube is minus 1. minus 3r into minus 1, which is nothing but 3r, minus 6 plus 1. So I'm getting r is equal to minus 5 by 3. What is r equal to? Minus 5 by 3. Now, 2 power x plus y, 2 power 2x plus y is equal to root 8. Is it nothing but 2 power x plus y is equal to 2 power 2x plus y is equal to 2 power 3 by 2. That square root of 8 is 2 power 3 by 2, my dear. Why? That square root of 8 can be done as 2 cube. This is nothing but power 2. So it is nothing but 2 power 3 by 2. Sir, simply what I do now, sir, this is my x value, this is my y value. I'll try my level best to substitute. X is 1, y is 2. Yes, x is 1, y is 2. I'm getting 2 power 3 by 2 is equal to x is 1, 2 plus 1 by 2, which is 5 by 2. So not possible. Even 1 by 2 plus 1, not possible. Not possible. Only option D, none of these. Okay. It is none of these. Next, a square plus b square equal to 45. Then ab equal to 18. We need to find out what is 1 by a plus 1 by b. Very simple question, my dear. A square plus b square equal to 45. A square plus b square equal to 45. They ask you to find out 1 by a plus 1 by b. Okay, let me check. What is 1 by a plus 1 by b? Which is nothing but a plus b by ab. Out of this, I know what is AB, but I don't know what is A plus B. So let me check A square plus B square. What is A square plus B square formula? Which is nothing but A plus B the whole square minus 2AB. A square plus B square is 45. A plus B the whole square is, we need to find out. Very good. Minus 2AB, which is 18. So 2 18s are 36. Okay, if it goes to this side. So what exactly will come? 45 plus 36 is equal to a plus b the whole square. So a plus b the whole square is equal to 81. What is a plus b is equal to plus or minus 3. Now substitute here, my dear. What is plus or minus 3 is nothing but, what is plus or minus 3 is nothing but, here plus or minus 3. What is AB? AB is 18. What is AB? AB is 18. Is that clear, all of you? A plus b is plus or minus, sorry, by 81 I'm writing, just 9. So it is nothing but 9, which is plus or minus 1 by 3. Option A. Sir, I think we can use some other method, na, sir. That is like, substituting some value for A and B. See, that is also possible, but since it is plus or minus, let us go ahead with this only. Now, look at this. The common region represented by the following qualities. Very simple, don't skip these kind of questions. See, what exactly the procedure? Sir, L1 less than symbol, sir. So L1 towards origin. Am I right, my dear? And the other one is more than. What is other one is more than? Actually here there is plus sign missing. More than means more than or equal to. That is above the line. Now we need to find out the common region. Common region is nothing but this one. It is actually what this is the area which satisfies both the lines. Therefore triangle AEB is our answer. See, I think the people who attended my session, of course you know about one thing. When less than and more than both are coming, so of course our answer is going to be either this area or this area, because this area is all are greater than or equal to, this area is all are less than or equal to. When the mixture of inequalities are coming, then we have to take the areas between the lines. So here which one, that we need to accordingly, this way we can find out and can get it, my dear. Okay, next question. So triangle AB is our answer. Now an employer recruits experienced and fresh workmen for his under the condition that he cannot employ more than 11 people. He cannot employ more than 11 people. That is x plus y, experience plus workman, should not exceed 11. Should not exceed 11. So which is nothing but less than or equal to 11. And why they are writing x is more than or equal to 0 and y is more than or equal to 0? Because number of employees cannot be negative. Number of employees cannot be negative. Okay. Next, sum number 13. Yesterday we did similar type of sum for less than or equal to. Now today we are going to do more than or equal to. Sir, all the inequalities are having more than or equal to. If all the inequalities are having more than or equal to, one thing is sure, the option will not have 0, 0. Okay, let me check. Sir, option D cannot be my answer, sir. Okay, so the answer is going to be either of any 3. Now look at this. For that also we have shortcut. 6x plus y 18, right? So divide each term by 18. What you are going to get? X by 3 plus y by 18, and right hand side you will get 1. Second one you take. Divide each term by 12. X by 12. Y by 3 is equal to 1. Divide each term by 10. X by 5 plus y by 10 equal to 1. Only this part you need to handle. Rest everything can be taken care, my dear. Since everything is greater than or equal to, look at this. Take x part. In this x part, tell me, my dear, 5, 12, 13. So now tell me, which is greater here out of these three? Sir, 12 is greater, sir. So therefore, 12, 0 is one of the corner point. Next, same y. Out of these three, which is greater? Sir, 18 is greater, sir. So 0, 18 is another corner point. So my corner point answer is going to be contain 12, 0 and 0, 18. So here only one option has got 0, 18 and 12, 0. Without checking any other option, I can directly mark option as A. Okay. Next, find the effective rate of interest if an amount 30,000 deposited in a bank for 1 year at the rate of 10% per annum compounded semi-annually. They ask you to find out the effective rate of interest. Of course, you know it. Effective rate of interest calculated only when the interest calculated more than once in a year. And after that, it is independent of principal. So we are nothing to do with this. So 30,000, we are nothing to do with this, my dear. So now here, what exactly the problem is? Effective rate of interest, they ask you to find out. Simply, we have got our method semi-annually, which is 5%. So what I do, you know, sir, I have formula, sir, 1 plus I the whole power n minus 1. I don't think it is required. You will use your calculator, 100 plus 5% minus 100. That's it. So what exactly answer you are getting? What exactly answer you are getting, my dear? What exactly answer you are getting? Can you please tell me that? Yes, what exactly answer you are getting? Okay, sir, video is blur. Sorry, my dear. I think maybe because of the internet issue, we don't have time for it. D, very good. That's it. Now, the present population of a town is 25,000. If it grows at the rate of 4%, 5%, 8% during first year, second year, third year respectively, then find the population after 3 years. Look at this, my dear. Whenever the problem based on population, the interest, that is incremental rate, is always what? Based on compound interest. Okay, that is what the formula we need to use. Sir, here nothing is mentioned about compound interest, sir. See, population is always what? Based on compound interest. So first year 4%, second year 5%, third year 8%. Sir, simply I'll take the calculator, sir. Yes, simply I'll take the calculator, sir. 25,000 plus 4% plus 5% plus 8%. That's it, my dear. 29,484 is our answer. 29,484 is our answer. Is it clear, all of you? Yes, very good. Correct. Yes, Balachandar. Yes, Om Patel. Correct. Now, the present value of a scooter is 7,290 rupees. The rate of the depreciation is 10%. What was the value after 3 years ago? I think the previous question paper also we did the same sum. What I said, don't use. What is depreciation formula? Amount is equal to P into 1 minus I whole power n. Forget about the formula, my dear. I told you already in my time value of money lectures. Okay. In time value of money lectures, I always used to tell you without using any formula, by using calculator, we can get all the problems. So here, what exactly we are going to get? 10,000. Take the trial and error method. 10,000 minus 10% minus 10% minus 10%. Correct? 7290 I am getting. So option A. Yes. Now, the rate of interest for the first 2 years is 3% per annum. For the next 3 years is 8% per annum. And for the period of beyond 5 years is 10% per annum. If a man gets 1,500 rupees for 1,520 rupees as a simple interest for 6 years, how much money did he deposit? My dear children, don't use formula, don't waste your time. This is based on simple interest, right? Simple interest. And how much interest you want? 1520. Simply follow what I'm saying. Take your calculator. 2 into, just use your calculator. 2 into 3% M plus, 3 into 8% M plus, beyond 5 years 10%. Total how many years? 6 years. So after beyond 5 years, there is only 1 year we have got. So plus 1 into 10%. Just find out what you are getting. Just find out what you are getting. 2 into 3%, right? Sorry. 2 into 3%. M plus 3 into 8% M plus 1 into 10% M plus 1 into 10% M plus MRC. Okay. Into what we can do? Trial and error method. Option A, 3,800. I get 1520. That's it. This you will be getting 0.4. You just keep it with you. With 0.4, you multiply the options. Whichever options gives you 1520, that is your answer. Am I right, my dear? Now, suppose your parent decides to open PPF account, Public Provident Fund, in a bank towards their name with 10,000 rupees every year starting from today for next 15 years. When you receive and get 8.5% per annum interest rate compounded annually, what is the present value of this annuity? What is the present value of this annuity? See guys, this question, since it is starting from today, sir, shall we use immediate annuity? Don't use it, my dear. It is regular annuity problem only, PPF, Public Provident Fund. So use it. So here what is it? Find the present value, 10,000 divided by rate of interest. What is rate of interest? 0.085. 1 minus 1 by 1.085 whole power for how many years? 15 years is equal to. Can anyone help me to calculate this, my dear? Because my calculator is not working properly. So what exactly to be done? First you will be finding 1.085 whole power 15. By using calculator, first you will find 1.085. Let me check. No, it's not coming. Okay. 1.085 into equal to square equal to cube. They keep on multiplying, right? You will be getting whole power 15. After multiplying, after getting 1.085 whole power 15, just do divided by equal to minus 1 into 10,000 divided by 0.085. Okay. Yes. Don't worry, my dear. Sir, I am getting answer in negative. Array, ignore negative sign. Nothing is going to happen. Yes, very good. 83,042 rupees. What is it? 83,042 rupees. Now, in what rate percent annum will 1,000 rupees amounts to 1331 in 3 years? The interest is compounded yearly is. The interest is compounded yearly is. Okay. They ask you to find out rate of interest. This is my principal. This is my amount. And this is my number of years. Simply what you do, sir, I'll take trial and error method, sir. First option is 10%. So 1,000 plus 10% plus 10% plus 10%. If I get 1331, this is my answer. I will get 1331 because actually it is what you know, 1,000 compound interest 1100, 121 0, that is 11, 121, 1331. It's power of 3 for 11 powers. Okay, 11 powers. So therefore 10% is the answer. Next, the difference between simple interest and compound interest on a certain sum for 2 years 10% per annum is 10 rupees. I think you know difference between simple interest and compound interest for 2 years is nothing but what? Pi square. So what exactly is going to come? We need to find out what is P. P into rate of interest 0.1 the whole square is equal to 10. I think you know how to calculate it, my dear. Can you please calculate? So which is P is equal to 1,000 I am getting. P is equal to 1,000 I am getting. Am I right? Is P is equal to 1,000, my dear? Okay. Power 8 missing. Okay. Fine. Next one. The future value of an annuity, 5,000 rupees made annually for 8 years at interest rate 9% compounded annually. I think you know how to do it, my dear. 3 thumb rules. First, we need to decide future value or present value, type of annuity, type of compound interest. It is future value. Type of annuity is nothing is mentioned, therefore regular annuity, then annually is given, therefore compound interest also annually we are going to take. So what exactly we are going to have, my dear? Sir, 5,000 divided by rate of interest 0.09 into 1.09 whole power 8, which is already given. What is given? 1.99256 minus 1, which is 0.99256. Is it necessary to write everything, my dear? Simply 5,000 into 0.99256 divided by 0.09. Yes. Sajita, I already explained it. Why it is like that. Okay. So can you please tell me what exactly answer? 55,142. Yes, very good. Yes. Okay. Next one. In how many years will a sum of money become 4 times 12% per annum simple interest? How many times? 4 times. I think you know what to be done. Sir, 4 times means 300 divided by 12. Tell me what is 300 divided by 12? What is 300 divided by 12? 25 years. What is it? 25 years. Next, the effective rate of interest does not depend on, I think just now only said, na, effective rate of interest does not depends on what? Principal. Okay. Yes. It is independent of principal. Find the effective rate of interest 10% per annum when interest payable quarterly. So which is nothing but 2.5%. You know the method what to be followed. 10 plus 2.5%, sorry, 100 plus 2.5% plus 2.5% plus 2.5% plus 2.5%, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 100. So what exactly answer you got it, my dear? Can you please tell me? Is it 10.38%? Sir, we were using formulas and all, sir. My dear, you can use the formula or by using calculator directly you can get it. Okay. Yes, next one. Okay. Okay, fine. Next one. In simple interest, if the principal is 2000 rupees and the rate and time are the roots of the equation x square minus 11x plus 30. It's a quadratic equation, you know how to solve it, which is x minus 5 into x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x is nothing but what? 5 comma 6. So rate 5% times 6. Sir, what if I take rate as 6 and time as 5? Nothing is going to happen. Answer is going to be same. So simply what? 2000 simple interest 5% into 6. Can you please tell me what exactly you are getting, my dear? Yes. What exactly you are getting? Are you getting 600 rupees? Ashraf is saying 600. Very good. Next. Yes, Balachandar, 600 is correct. Determine the present value of perpetuity. See, perpetuity means what? We are just paying the annuity forever. So simply what you do? 50,000 divided by 12%. Just do it, my dear. 50%. Sorry, 50,000 divided by 12%. Yes. 50 lakhs. Next one. Find the number of even numbers greater than 100 that can be formed with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3. Guys, when the digit problem comes, I always suggest not to try at the first go. We need to leave at the beginning. It is actually waste of time. But I will try. But remember, in the examination, you are not supposed to select these type of sums. You should not have the greediness, you know. Sir, I want to do this, I want to do that. You will not get time. I am doing very fast. That doesn't mean that everyone can do it fast. What we have to do in the examination, there are some sums you have to skip. You should know when to say no. That is what you need to remember. These kind of questions always time consuming. See, here it is given greater than 100. Greater than 100 means definitely it's a 3-digit number. Given digits are 4. Therefore, it can be a 3-digit number or 4-digit number. There are 2 cases. And also, it should be an even number. Wow. In one question, how many conditions are there? So these many conditions, if I keep on doing it, it is actually speaking waste of time. Okay, fine. But I'm going to do, my dear. So 3-digit number, there are 2 possibilities. Either ends with 0 or ends with 2. Do you agree, my dear? First case and second case. Because even this case also what? It is more than 100 at the same time an even number. Or 4-digit number. Even 4-digit number also I am going to have 2 cases. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Okay. What is it? 0, 2. Why particularly last digit should be 0 or 2? Because when the last digit 0 or 2, it should be it's an even number. So I'm finding it's an even number. Also 3-digit, 4-digit. 2 cases I'm having. Now, look at this, my dear. 0, 1, 2, 3. Last digit must be 0. That means remaining 2 digits can be selected among these 3 digits. So can it be 3p2? Yes, it is actually what? 3p2 into one way. Here, last digit can be arranged in one way. First digit cannot be 0. So for the first digit, we have either 1 or 3. So among 2, any 1 can come. And the remaining 2p1. Same way, last digit 0. It can be done in only one way. For the remaining 3 digits, there is no condition. 3 factorial. Last digit is 2. can be done in one way. First digit cannot be 0. It can be done in two ways. And remaining two digits are available for two digits. It is 2 only again. It is 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4, which is nothing but 20. Okay, which is nothing but 20. Next. In how many ways can the letters of the word algebra be arranged without changing the relative order of the vowels? This is very important, my dear sir. What is the relative order of the vowel? Okay, relative position of the vowel. Okay, relative position of the vowel. Actually, the right word is what? Relative position of the vowel. A, E, A. Now listen here, my dear. In these three positions, A, E, A comes. Okay, that is, what is it? Vowels are coming. So it can be arranged among themselves in 3 factorial ways. Into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 factorial. Sir, we have got repetition, sir. 2 factorial. Yes. What exactly we are going to have? 6 into 5 factorial. What is 5 factorial? Is 120. 60. 60 into 6. Guys, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, correct only, na? Sorry. Some calculation mistake I'm doing. E is there. Yeah, yeah. Double E are there, na? Okay. A. Sorry, 4 are there. Sorry, my dear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So is it nothing but 4 factorial into 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial? Is that correct, my dear? So, which is nothing but 576 divided by 72. Okay, 576 divided by 72. But still the answer what we are getting, so 576 divided by, sorry, not 72. 4. Okay. 576 divided by 4, which is 144. What is our answer, my dear? 144. Is it right? Because arranged without changing the relative order of the vowels, that is relative position of the vowel, that is none of these. Next, director. In how many ways can the letters of the word director be arranged so that the 3 vowels are never together? Please listen here. The word never together. In this case, never together means total ways minus. Okay. In this, what total ways minus together. Okay. Total ways 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 factorial. Sir, there is also repetition, sir. What is getting repeated? Are getting repeated twice. Minus. Together. Together condition is what? 3 vowels are together. Where are the vowels? 1, 2, 3. So which is nothing but 3 factorial into, you know the condition for together. Sir, I have formula, sir. N minus r plus 1 factorial into r factorial. That formula can be used. Or total there are how many letters? 8 letters. And the 3 letters are together. 3 factorial into 6 factorial. Divided by 2. So can you please simplify this, my dear? Can you please simplify this fast? Yes. Is it 18,000? 18,000? Very good. 18,000. See, actually what happens, you know, in this question algebra also, this E was given extra. That is what none of these. Otherwise, you would have got 72 as the answer. Let it be. Please listen this. The first and the fifth term of an AP is AP of 40 terms. N is equal to 40. First term A equal to minus 29. Fifth term is equal to minus 15. Find the sum of all positive terms of AP. They ask you to find out S40. Okay, they ask you to find out what? S40. Now look at this. First, let me find out what is common difference. T5 is equal to minus 15. Is it A plus 4D is equal to minus 15? What is A? Minus 29 plus 4D is equal to minus 15. So what is 4D is equal to? Minus 15 plus 29, which is 14. So D is 7 by 2. Now, what is S40 is equal to? S40 is nothing but N by 2 into 2A. 2 into, what is A? Minus 29 plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so 40 by 2 is 20, minus 58, minus 116, plus 39 sevens are, take calculator and use it, my dear. 39 sevens are 273 whole divided by 2, 10 times. Now 273 minus 116, 157. Is my calculation is correct? What exactly you are getting? Can you please check this? Can you please check this? 1570 I am getting. Whether I am right or wrong, can you please check and let me know, my dear? Yes, none of this. Next one. Next one. The common difference of an AP equals to the first term. Sir, D equal to A, sir. Very good. Then the ratio of mth term and nth term. They ask you to find out mth term by nth term. Yes, common difference is same. Sir, A plus m minus 1 into D, which is nothing but A. A plus n minus 1 into D, which is A plus am minus A, divided by A plus an minus A. Cut. A also get cancelled, which is nothing but m by n. Okay. Listen here, it's a rule actually. It's a rule. When common difference and first terms are equal, then of course the ratio between the any terms is going to be what? Same only. Okay. So it's a rule. You no need to worry about it. But henceforth you remember it as a rule. But I proved it how it came. Next one. Somebody given 1705. Om Patel gave me 1705 for the previous sum. May I know how did you get that 1705 Om Patel gave me the answer 1705. I don't know how did you get that 1705. I think rest everyone is getting 1570. Okay. Next one. Can you please recheck Om? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot up to 105. Find the value. See, which is nothing but what you know. Sir, sum of n natural numbers, sir. Sum of n natural numbers. What is it? N into n plus 1 by 2, which is 105 into 106 divided by 2. Can you please get the answer? 105 into 106 divided by 2. Take your calculator. 105 into 106 divided by 2, which is 5565 I am getting. Next, in a GP, sixth term is 729. Common ratio is 3. Then the first term of GP. Sir, I simply do A r power 5 is equal to 729, sir. A r power 5, that r is nothing but 3 power 5 is 329. What is 329? 3 square is 9, 3 cube is 27, 3 power 4 is 81, 3 power 5 is 243, 3 power 6 is 729. So by cancelling it, A equal to 3. This is what generally people do. But remember what I'm suggesting, what I'm suggesting, just follow this. You know sixth term. Common ratio you know. You have calculator. 729 divided by 3. 243. This is my fifth term. 243 divided by 3. 81. This is my fourth term. Third term. Second term. First term. Answer over. It's actually power of 3 only. Next, the number of ways in which 4 persons can occupy 9 vacant seats. 9p4, because it's a permutation arrangement. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. Can you please multiply and get the answer, my dear? 9 into 8 into 7 into 6. 3024. Next, look at this, my dear. A equal to 1, 2, 3. B is 3, 4. C is 4, 5, 6. A cross B into C. What is B into C is? What is B into C is? Oh, sorry. Not B into C. Excuse me. Is B intersection C. What is B intersection C is? B intersection C is nothing but 4. Now, what they ask you to find out? A cross B intersection C. 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. Option A. Next, let R be the relation N defined by x plus 2y is equal to 8. The domain of R. Okay, domain of R. Domain of R means the value of x. Okay, and it is a natural number. So therefore, can I say we need to find out value of x? x is equal to 8 minus 2y. Look at this, my dear. I need to substitute some value such that you should get a positive number only. For example, 248. Substitute 248. Substitute 248 x. For example, 2y is equal to 8 minus x. You can substitute 248. When you substitute 2, yes, y is equal to 3 coming, sir. And 4, which is 4 by 2, 2 coming, sir. It's a natural number, sir. Same way, 0. But last 8, if I substitute 8, what I'm getting, my dear? 0 I'm getting. Therefore, option A not possible. Only option C only possible. Because option C also possible or not, we have to check. Because we have to find out the domain. Domain is value of x. Domain is what? Value of x is the domain. Yes. First, let me put x is equal to 1. Sorry, x is equal to 2 if I put y is equal to, yes, it is coming, my dear. We can get it. Yes, 246 is the right answer. Next, the domain of the function. See, whenever there is a quotient, p by q format, denominator should not be 0. Okay. So x square minus 5x plus 4 should not be equal to 0. So what generally we need to do, you know, we need to factorize it. Yes, Om Patel, I'll check. X minus 4, x minus 1 is not equal to 0. X is not equal to 4 or 1. So R is minus 1 comma 4. That is, that relation should not have 1 comma 4. For everywhere it is true, but on 1 comma 4 it is not true. Next one, 38. Y is equal to x power x. So dy by dx, I gave it as a formula. X power x into 1 plus log x. Sir, this option is not there, sir. No, my dear, it is there. 1 can be done as log e plus log x, which is equal to x power x into log a into b log ab. Yes. 39 sum. Y is root x plus 1 by root x. Since root comes, let me eliminate. Y square equal to x plus 1 by x. That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So 2y dy by dx. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Now they ask you to find out 2x dy by dx. So multiply throughout by x, my dear, which is actually 2xy. So multiply throughout by x, my dear. 2xy dy by dx is equal to x minus 1 by x. Option C. I think wait, 48 some, let me complete. After that I'll go there. Evaluate integral 2 power x into x square. I think you know the shortcut. Sir, keep 2 power x as it is. Open the brackets. X square by log 2 minus 2x by log 2 the whole square. I think you know the shortcut, right? Plus 2 by log 2 the whole cube plus c. This is what our answer is. Okay, so none of the option is showing, sir. Actually, there is a mistake. It should be log 2. Okay, option A. See, Om Patel was saying it is 1705. He is asking me to recheck again. Can anyone recheck and tell me, my dear? There are 40 terms and A is equal to minus 29. That is first term, and the fifth term is minus 15. Find the sum of all positive terms of this AP. Okay, find the sum of all positive. Okay, sum of all positive terms of this AP. Excuse me, my dear. Sorry. It's my mistake. It's my mistake. They ask you to find out sum of all positive terms. Okay. Fine. Can you please tell me, this is minus 29. When is the positive term comes, my dear? Minus 29. D is equal to, what did you get? A plus 4D is equal to minus 15. What is A is? Minus 29 plus 4D is equal to minus 15. So what is D is equal to? 7 by 2. Now what will be the first positive term, my dear? Actually we have to keep on subtracting 3.5. So fifth term is 15. Sixth term is 15 minus 3.5. Seventh term is minus 3.5. Eighth term is minus 3.5. Ninth term is minus 3.5. 10th term is minus 3.5. Okay, so we have to actually take only the positive values. sum of all positive values. Okay, sum of all positive values. So what is the first positive value we have to check? Okay, what is the first positive value we have to check? See, you just keep on subtracting, my dear. Minus 15, minus 3.5, minus 3.5, minus 3.5. I think we have got the method, but still, since you are a calculator, use the calculator. Okay, you just make it 5 times 3.5 or 4 times 3.5. What is it? 15 minus 3.5, 1 time, minus 3.5, 2 times, minus 3.5, 3 times, minus 15. Huh? Okay. Is it first term? Am I getting 2.5, my dear? The first term I am getting 2.5. Yes. First term is 2.5. Okay. A is equal to sum of all positive numbers. Okay. Sum of all positive numbers. So total 10 terms. So n equal to 30 now. A is equal to 2.5 and D is equal to 3.5. Yes. Now check it, my dear. T30 is equal to, sorry, S30 is equal to 30 by 2 into 2A, which is 5, plus n minus 1 into D, 3.5. Let me have it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. No, my dear. It is actually what you know. The previous one was correct only. You have to go with none of this. Let me check that option once again later. Let me proceed further. Okay, now come here. Find the missing term of the series. Wow, middle term is missing. Let me check. 2, 3. Wow, again 3, 5, 10, 13, dash, 43, 172, 177. Okay. 2, 3, 3. Again same only. So is it plus 1 into 1? Wow. Plus 2 into 2. Plus 3 into 3. So which is nothing but 39. Answer is over. Next one. Find wrong number. That is wrong observation. We have to find out odd man out. 1, 5, 5, 9, 7, 11, 11, 15, 12, 17. See, I think you know mixed sequence, you know about mixed sequence. When the same terms are repeating, I said mixed sequence. Increasing, decreasing means always what you know, two sequences. Let me write it. Alternate terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5, 7, 11, 12. Next sequence is what? 5, 9, 11, 15, 17. Look at this. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 2. 11 plus 4, 15 plus 2. So plus 4 plus 2. Here also plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. But here it is only plus 1. Therefore our wrong observation is what? 12. Next one. Find the missing term of the series. Find the missing term of the series. A. Next. CD. What is missing? Here. Actually, missing term of the letter series. We need to find out the missing terms of the letter series. Okay. A. B is gone. CD. EF gone. GHI. See, one letter is gone. Here 2 letters gone. 3 letters are coming. Next one is what? 3 letter. I. After I, what should come? J, K, L. Is that right? J, K, L. So remaining 4 letters will come. M, N, O, P. This is what missing. Then 4 letters missing. Q, R, S, T is missing. U, V, W, X, Y. Yes, of course. M and O, P is our answer. Next. Telephone is written as telephone, reverse order. So alligator is written as ROTAGIALA. ROTAG, alligator. Option A. Next. Cloud. Time consuming, it seems. GTIOUD. R, K, F. Now, let me write the numerical values. Okay, 3, A, B, C, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. 12, O, M 13, N 14, O 15. U, T is 20, so 21, 4. What is G, my dear? G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 7, 20, R is 18, K. 11, F, 6. There is a relation. Look at this here. It's a typical one. Mirror image. 4 plus 3 minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 plus 3. Reverse order at the same time, plus 3 minus 1. So sight, S, I, G, H, T. So what exactly the numerical value of these alphabets? S, 19. I, J, K, L. I is I think 9. Yes. G is 7. H is 8. T is 20. So here what is required, my dear? First plus 3. 23 plus 1. 9th letter. Plus 3. 10th letter. Plus 1. Again 10th letter. Is that right? Is I is 9. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. I is 9. Very good. Okay, here what letter I'm missing, my dear? H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. H is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10. Okay. Did we? Oh, minus 1. Nah? See, I'm adding plus 1. This minus 1. 20 plus 3, 8 minus 1, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. 9 minus 1, 8. 19, oh sorry. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 9 minus 1, 7. 19 plus 3, 22. So first 23rd letter, U. W. 7th letter, G. 10th letter, J. 8th letter, H. 22nd letter, T, U, V. So W, G, J, H, V. Option D. Of course, can't help. It's a little time consuming. I always used to tell actually what this, what we can say, time with this one, what is it? Logical reasoning is always time consuming. Now look at this. Direction sum I'm going to start. Immediately what I do? Yes, I'll start this. This is very important. North, south, east, west. Okay. First, this is my right, my left. Okay. Raju starts walking straight towards east. Yes. After 75 meters, he turns to the left. Okay. And walks 25 meters. Next, again he turns to left, walks 40 meters. Okay. Again he turns to left and walks 25 meters. Okay. Fine. Now, how far is from the starting point? This is a starting point, and this is 25 meter, sorry, 40 meter. So remaining will be what? 35 meters. So answer is 35 meters. Next, Ravi started from the house. Ravi started from the house towards west. After walking distance of 30 meters, he turned towards right and walks 20 meters. He then turned toward left and moving the distance of 10 meters. Okay. Turned to his left again and walked 40 meters. Okay. 40 meters. Next, he now turned to the left. Okay. Now he turned to the left and walked 5 meters. Fine. Finally, he turned to his left right? In which direction he is going now? In which direction he is going now? North. Next, I am facing south. Okay, since you are facing south, okay. Turn right, that means east. Walk 20 meters. So first you are walking towards 20 meters. Sorry, turns right means what? Um, right only, na? Where is right here? Look at this. Right is this side. Correct only. East side only. Right? 20 meters. West side he is turning. Then I turn right again and walk 10 meters. Then I turn left and walk 10 meters. Then turning right, walk 20 meters. Then I turn right again and walk 60 meters. Okay. Which direction I'm facing now? Which direction you are facing now, my dear? In which direction you are facing now? Okay. There's nothing but east direction. Which direction you are facing? That's it. Now, going 50 meters to the south of our house. Okay. Radhika turns left and goes 20 meters. Okay. Then turning to the north, she goes 30 meters. Okay. And then starts walking to her house. In which direction she is walking now? So, this is where her house is. In which direction she is walking now, my dear? In which direction she is walking now? It is nothing but northwest. Option A. A man. Okay, this is degree problem now. So, handle with care. Because each angle is what? 90 degrees. Now, a man facing west. Okay. He turns 45 degree in clockwise direction. He turns 45 degree in clockwise direction. Okay. Turns 45 degree in clockwise direction. Yes, okay. This is 45 degrees. Then, and then another 180 degrees. Okay. Fine. This is 180 degree. Total 180 degree. Next step. Same direction. Then 270 degree in the anti-clockwise direction. That is opposite direction he is turning. So 180 plus 90. So another 45. Yeah. Now, in which direction he is facing now? He is facing now is what? Southwest direction. Option D. Next one. E is the son of D. Okay, what is it? E is right here. E, okay. E is son of D. Let me write it. E is son of D. D is son of B. Okay. Next step. E is married to C. Okay. C is B's daughter. How D related to E? How D related to E? How D related to E? Look at this, my dear. First, E is the son of A. Oh, sorry, it is son of A. E is son of A. D is son of B. But I don't know this condition yet. So E is married to C. Okay. C is B's daughter. So here I can have D is son of B. Good. Now look at this. This is wrong. Now, how is D related to E? How is D related to E? Yes, of course. How is D related to E? His wife's brother. So brother-in-law. Next one. Pointing towards a girl in the photograph, Pooja said. So who is making the conversation? Pooja. So everything will go from Pooja's point of view. Okay. She is the mother of Janaki, whose father is my son. Okay. From Pooja's point of view, everything to be done, my dear. From Pooja's point of view, everything to be done. Can you read the question again? She is the, that is, she is talking about a girl. That girl is the mother of Janaki. Who is Janaki? Whose father, Janaki's father is my son. So Pooja has got a son. Okay, Pooja has got a son. Okay. Now, look at this. She is the mother of Janaki, whose father is my son. Son? Pooja has got a son. Okay. She is the mother of Janaki, whose father, okay, whose father, that is Janaki's father. Janaki has got a father. Okay, she is the mother of Janaki, whose father is my son. Whose father is my son. Look at this, my dear. Again, I am reading it. See, this is little confusing question. So let me write it here. Yeah. What is it? She is the mother of Janaki, whose father is my, that is Janaki's father is my son. Pooja has got a son. Correct? Next. That son has got a father. Okay, that son has got a father. She is the mother of Janaki. She is the mother of Janaki, whose father. Okay. Whose father, my dear? Are we talking about that lady's father or Janaki's father? I think you remember. A is son of B, who is daughter of A, something like that means. We are relating what? B to A. This is what. So here, Janaki has got a father. That father is my son. That means Janaki is the mother. So son's wife. Now listen here. How Pooja related to the girl in the photograph? How Pooja related to the girl in the photograph? Mother-in-law. Next one. Symbolic coded puzzle. P into Q means P is the father of Q. P minus Q means P is sister of Q. Plus means mother. Division means brother. Now in the expression B plus D, don't apply Bodmer's rule. Don't apply Bodmer's rule. Simply do it. B plus D. B is mother of D. B is mother of D. Next. D into M. D is father of M. M divided by N. M is brother of N. That's it. Now, how M related to B? How M related to B? Yes, of course, my dear, grandson. How M related to B? Grandson. Okay. Guys, so far is it fine? Okay, are you getting the answers? See, this this one, logical reasoning is what? Time consuming. It is taking a lot of time, too much time, of course. Okay, it is too much time it is consuming. Okay, next one. There are 6 children playing football, namely A, B, C, D and E, F. A and E are brothers. Okay. F is the sister of E. Okay. C is the only son of A's uncle. Okay. So A has got father or mother, that is a parent, and that parent has got a brother, and that brother got a son. That son is what? C. Now, B and D are the daughters of the brother of C's father. Okay, that means we are talking about him only. So C, so brother, C's father's brother, and B and D are the daughters. Very good. B and D are the daughters. Very good. That's it. Now, how is C related to F? How is C related to F? Cousin. Next one. Mr. Vimesh said, this girl is the wife of the grandson of my mother. My. So we are talking about Vimlesh. Right hand side of my mother. Grandson. Next one is what? Grandson. Okay. This mother has got a grandson. Okay. Wife. Okay. That grandson has got a wife. That's it. And this is what the girl. Now, what is it? How is Mr. Vimlesh related to the girl? Of course, father-in-law. Okay. Of course, father-in-law. Now look at this. 6 students are sitting in a row in an examination hall. K is sitting between V and R. K is sitting between V and R. V is sitting next to M. Okay. M is sitting next to B. B is sitting extreme left. Okay. And Q is sitting next to R. Okay. Who is sitting adjacent to V? Of course, M and K. Very simple. Next one. There are 3 females A, B and E and 4 males C, D, F and G. See guys, I think by looking at the alphabet only, I think I'm deciding this question is going to be what? Time consuming. So if this question, if at all you want to solve it in the examination, please don't try at the beginning. Don't try at the beginning. If at all time doesn't permit, leave this. Sir, I'm very good in seating arrangement. It's okay. I can understand your feelings. But still, see, every minute is important here. I think it is going to take a lot of time now. Because by looking at the alphabet, why A, B, C is fine. Here A, B, E. Okay. C, D, F and C. C, D, F and G. Standing in a straight line. No 2 female are together. Okay, fine. Now, B is the right of C. What is it, my dear? B is the right of C. B is the right of C. Okay. B is right of C. Am I right, my dear? B is right of C. Okay. B is right of C. Fine. Now look at this. Wait. Okay. B is right of C. Okay. F and D are not together. Okay. They are not sitting together. Okay. A is placed between them. So between F and D we have A. Okay. Fine. Between F and D we have A. G is not near to B. So G cannot come here. G cannot come here. Or E. Okay. So I think G has to be here only. Therefore E comes here. I think the problem is over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And look at this. A, B and E. A, B and E. Yes, of course, alternate only. Boys, there is no condition. Now, who is at the extreme ends? G and B. Who is exactly in the middle? D. Who is at the exactly middle, my dear? The option is no. Okay, fine. I think this also can be written as this way also we can write. Okay, this way also we can write. If I arrange them like this, F will come in the middle. Okay, F will come in the middle. That's it. Okay. Yes. Sir, F and D together. Correct. Point itself. Ignore. Fine. Next one. Next one. 7 persons A, B, C, D, E, F and G are sitting in a straight line, not necessarily in the same order, facing north. Okay. Only 2 persons sit between F and G. F. Okay, only 2 persons sit between F and G. F. 2 persons sitting between F and G. Next one. G sits second to the left of B. G sits second to the left of B. What is it? G sits second to the left of B. So definitely what? Where will be B, my dear? So G sits second to the left of B. B has to be here. Then only second to the left. Next one. D sits third to the right of C. Okay. I don't know where D and C. Leave it. E sits exactly between G and B. Okay. And B sits at the extreme right end of the row. Very good. It is done. Now, I think out of 7 people, 4 people arranged, only 3 people. So these are the 3 places, of course. Now let me go here. D sits third to the left of C. So D has to be here, C has to be here. Who is missing? A. Is it D, F, A, C, G, E, B, my dear? Correct. Now, who amongst the following sits extreme left of the line? D. Who amongst the following sits exactly middle of the line? C. Over. Okay, now we are going to start with statistics. Histogram used for finding mode. Data are said to be dash if the investigator himself is responsible for the collection of data. Of course, primary data. Now, the frequency of the class 20 to 30 in the following data. What a difficult question, my dear. 28. There were 200 employees in an office in which 150 were married. Total male employees were 160, but out of which 120 were married. What was the female unmarried employees? Now look at this. Male, female, married, unmarried. Now let me do. There are 200 employees in an office in which 150 were married. Okay. 150 of them married. Total male employees were 160. Okay. Total male employees were 160. Out of that is remaining 40 is female. Out of which 120 were married. So 120 married, 30 females married, 40. And here it is going to be what? 10. Going to be 50. I think everything is done now. What was the female married employees, my dear? Female unmarried employees, 10. Next one. The quartile deviation from the following observations. What is it? Quartile deviation from the following observations. Of course, Q1 and Q3 to be found out. For that, first let us arrange them in ascending order. What is it? 10. Can you please help me out, my dear? 10, 15, 20, 25, 28. So 28, 2 and 30. Shit. Thank you, Om. They are given cumulative frequency. Yes, my dear. My mistake, my bad. I'm extremely sorry. Okay. This is big mistake, big blunder. Sorry, I did not see cumulative frequency. I just keep on doing it. Okay, in the urgency, let it be, my dear. 5, 8, 15. What is it? 6, 4. 15 is our answer. Thank you so much. I did the mistake. Yes, of course, I did not read the question properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total 11. So what is Q1 is equal to? 11 plus 1 by 4th observation, which is 12 by 4, third observation, is 17. Q3. What is it? 3 into 3 observation, that is 9th observation, 29. So 29 minus 17 divided by 2. The quartile deviation of the frequency. Okay. What is it? 6. Actually, what I did was, I just simply took the question paper and came. So I wanted to give some live experience, what and all mistakes can be happen. Okay, what and all mistakes can happen, because I have not gone through this question, just directly coming into solving. So I think I missed out that cumulative frequency again. And of course, sorry for it. Now, 66. Standard deviation. Standard deviation of first 5 consecutive natural numbers. You know the formula, right? Standard deviation is equal to what? Root of n square minus 1 by 12. Am I right, my dear? 5. Root of 25 minus 1 by 12, which is root 2. The profit of a company remains same for the past 10 months. That means there is no deviation only. If there is no deviation, the company standard deviation of the company would be what? 0. Now, the batsman in his 20th innings makes a score of 120 and thereby increases average 5. What is the average after 20th innings? 60, 55, 65, 70. I don't think this will be 20th inning. Let me come to this question later. Because according to the average I'm talking about. Yes. The sum of squares of the deviations of the given values from their dash is minimum. Sum of squares. Arithmetic mean is minimum. That is what standard deviation. When mean is 3.57, mode is 2.13, then the value of median is. So can you please use the formula, my dear? Can anyone tell me the formula? Sorry. Can you please type? What is it? Mean minus mode is equal to 3 times mean minus n. Is it right? Is the formula is right? Can anyone say yes or no? Yes, my dear? Yeah. Now can you please substitute? 3.57 minus mode 2.13, 3 into 3.57 minus median. Can you please help me to get the calculator using calculator? Can you please get by using the calculator, what is it? 0.57. It's 2.13. 3. Option A, 3.09. Next, the mean of the first 3 terms is 14 and mean of the next 2 terms is 18. Then mean of the all 5 terms. Okay. See, mean of the first 3 terms, 3. 3 into 14, 42. So sum of first 3 terms is equal to 42. Next, sum of next 2 terms, mean of the next 2 terms. Okay, that is 4th term and the 5th term. Okay, 4th term and 5th term is 18. That is, it is actually what, sum of 4th term and 5th term is what? 18. Okay. So now they ask you to find out mean of the 5 terms. Okay. Actually, the mean of the next 2 terms is 18. So what exactly will happen is, look at this, my dear. So sum of all 5 terms is equal to sum of first 3 terms plus 36, which is equal to 42 plus 36. What is 42 plus 36? 78. Therefore, x bar equal to 78 by 5. Tell me what is 78 by 5? 5.6. Yeah, combined mean formula you can use. Very good. This question, combined mean formula you can use. And this way also we can follow by using directly calculator. Next one. Actually, combined mean formula why, for example, number of terms 3, 14. Number of terms 2, 18. Now we have to find out a combined average for 5 terms. 3 into 14 m plus 2 into 18 m plus MRC divided by 5. Same answer. Combined average formula. Next one. The standard deviation of a variable is x is to be 10. The standard deviation of 50 plus 5x. Of course, simply 5 into standard deviation of x. 5 into 10 equal to 50. Now, option A. The quartile deviation is 2/3 of standard deviation. The first quartile Q1 is equal to 142. Semi-interquartile range Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2 is equal to 18. Then the value of median, which is nothing but Q2. What is Q2? Q1 plus Q3 divided by 2. Now cross multiplication 36. So Q3 minus 142 is equal to 36. So Q3 is equal to 36 plus 142, 8, 7, which is 178. Now Q2 is equal to 178 plus 142 divided by 2. 320, which is nothing but 160 I am getting. Next, geometric mean of 842. So cube root of 8 into 4 into 2, which is nothing but what? 2 cube 2. This is again 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Next, probability of A is given, B is given, A intersection B is given. They ask you to find out probability of A dash union B dash. Is it nothing but by De Morgan's law, P of A intersection B the whole dash? Of course. Is it 1 minus P of A intersection B? Of course. Is it nothing but 1 minus P of A intersection B is 1 by 4, 3 by 4. Sir, why did they give A value and B value? Just like that they are given, my dear. Next, from the following probability distribution table, E of X, that is X into F of X, 1 into 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 6. Now add everything. The LCM is 6, sir. 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 by 6. 1.67. Now, husband and wife appear in an interview for two vacancies in the same post. The probability of husband selection 3 by 5. Probability of wife selection is 1 by 5. And what is the probability that only one of them is selected? Of course, my dear, husband selected but not wife, or wife selected but not husband. I think you understand this. And their selection is always independent. It is nothing but probability of husband into probability of wife dash plus probability of wife to probability of husband dash. Now what is probability of husband is 3 by 5, wife dash 4 by 5 plus probability of wife is 1 by 5, husband dash 2 by 5 is equal to 12 by 25 plus 2 by 25, which is nothing but 14 by 25 and over. Next one. A bag contains 4 red and 4 black balls. 5 red, 4 black. A ball is drawn at random from the bag and put into the, a ball is drawn at random from one bag and putting into the second bag. Such a simple question, my dear, but most of the people are leaving this question unnecessarily. 3 red and 7 black. So first what we are doing, a ball is drawn at random from bag 1 and we are transferring to bag 2, and from bag 2 I am going to draw the ball, and that ball should be what? Red ball. Wow, very good. In one line we can write the answer. Now a ball is transferred from bag A to bag B. Here the problem is what, which colored ball transferred is not given. The colored ball can be red ball drawn or black ball transferred. So first, what is the probability of red ball transferring? 5 by 9. Or what is the probability of black ball transferring? 4 by 9. Now let me see what happens. But the second ball should be red ball. Once you transfer the red ball, the number of red ball increases to what, my dear? 4 divided by, so of course number of red ball increases to 4 means total number of ball increases to 11. Same way, black ball transferred, number of black ball increases to 8, but there is no changes in red ball, so which is 3 by 11. So what exactly? 20 plus 12, 32 by 99. That's it. Next, x is a Poisson variate with parameter 1, that means m equal to 1. P of x is between 3 and 5. Look at this, my dear. X cannot be integer or something, it should be a natural whole number. So they ask you to find out P of x is equal to 4. Simple question. E power minus m into m power x to x factorial, which is nothing but e power minus 1 divided by 4 factorial, my dear. I think you know what is e power minus 1 is. It is given as 0.36783. 0.36783 divided by 4. Sorry, 24 na? 6. Sorry. 0.36783 divided by 24. 0.0156. Okay. Option A. 0.015326. Option A. Now the probability of a student is not a swimmer is 1 by 5. So Q is 1 by 5. So P is equal to 1 by 5. The probability that, 4 by 5. Probability that out of 5 students, 4 are swimmers. Okay. So they ask you to find out, binomial distribution, NCX, P power X, Q power N minus X. So which is nothing but 5C4, P power 4, Q power N. This 5 minus 4 is 1. Four by 5 power 4 by 5 whole power 1. So what is it? Answer. Option C. Binomial distribution, N is 9, P is 1 by 3. What is the value of variance? Wow. Q is 2 by 3. Variance is what? N into P into Q. 9 and 2. The variance of a standard normal distribution. I think you know. Standard normal distribution means mu is 0, sigma is equal to 1. If sigma is equal to 1, variance is also 1. That's where standard normal. Remember it, the word. Now P of x is equal to 0 is P of x is equal to 2. Find E of x. That means m. This is a Poisson distribution. So e power minus m power 0 by 0 factorial is equal to e power minus m power 2 by 2 factorial. Cancel, cancel. M power 0 is 1, 2. So m square is equal to 2 and m equal to root 2. Now, name of the distribution which has mean equal to variance binomial. Sorry, doing Poisson. Next, the difference between mean and mode is 33. Mean minus mode is equal to 3 times mean minus median. I said yes. Now, what is the difference between mean minus mode? Mean and mode is 33. 3 times mean minus median. They ask you to find out difference between mean minus median. This is nothing but 11. Relative frequency for a particular class lies between, see guys, 0 and 1. Most of the people are saying 0 and 1 both inclusive. I don't think both inclusive because relative frequencies they are asking. Okay, relative frequencies they are asking. Okay, 0 and 1 is not possible. So it is 0 and 1 only, between 0 and 1, excluding 0 and 1. Less than type, more than type objects meet at a point known as median. If mean and coefficient of variation, marks of n student is 20 and 80 respectively. So coefficient of variation mark is what? What is coefficient of variation? Sigma by x bar into 100. So 80 is equal to sigma to find out variance. X bar is what? Minus 20 to 100. Okay. 8 times 16 times. Therefore, variance is equal to 256. Right now, sigma square is nothing but variance. So 256. A non-leap year probability of getting, see, everyone knows it, my dear. Non-leap year for probability is what? 1 by 7. Leap year probability is 2 by 7. 53 Sundays, 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7. Simply you write it as 3 by 7. In a bivariate distribution, if the rank correlation coefficient is 0.12, so R is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation d square divided by n into n square minus 1. Let me check, my dear. 0.12 is equal to, I don't know, gut feeling says 146 is given, whether I'll be getting answer or not. 6 into 146 divided by n into n square minus 1. Let me use trial and error method. That is the simplest method. What is it? N, 9, first option is 9. 9 into 9 square minus 1. What is 9 square minus 1 is 8, 80. So 6 into 146. This one. 0.21 I am getting. So not possible. Go for 8. 6 into 1 by 8 into 63. 60. 0.738 not getting. Let me check 7. 6 into 6. Oh, not getting. Next one. 6 into 146. 10 by 0 point, approximately I am getting it as okay. D is coming. Very good. Fine. For 10 pairs of observation, number of concurrent deviation found to be 4. What is the value of the coefficient of concurrent deviation? So RC is equal to plus or minus root of plus or minus 2C. This is nothing but 8 minus 9 divided by 9. Sir, minus 1, sir. So all the sign will be negative only, which is nothing but 1 by 9 minus 1 by 3. People who attended my lecture, I hope you remember it. I always mark this sum. The exam also I said. Next, consider two regression lines. 3x plus 2y is 26 and 6x plus y equal to 31. Find the mean values of x. My dear, just you have to use trial and error method. Substitute the values. 4 and 7. 3 4s are 12. 2 sevens are 14. Yes, satisfying. 6 fours are 24. 24 plus 7 is 31. Yes, sir. Option A is satisfying, sir. Very good. Okay. Next one. If the regression line of y on x is given as y equal to x plus 2. Y equal to x plus 2. And that means what? Byx is equal to 1. Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation. R is equal to 0.5. Then they ask you to find out sigma y square by sigma x square. It's very simple. Byx is equal to R into sigma y by sigma x. Next one. What is Byx is? 1 is equal to 0.5 into sigma y by sigma x. 1 by 0.5 is? What is 1 by 0.5? 2. So, sigma y by sigma x is equal to 2. The question is sigma y square by sigma x square, which is nothing but 4. The number of tests of adequacy, 4. Fisher's ideal formula for calculating index number satisfies unit test, factor reversal test, time reversal test. All the tests it satisfies, my dear. Okay, it satisfies all the tests. Now, purchasing power of money is reciprocal of price index. Next one. Simple index number for the current year using simple aggregative method. It is not aggressive method, aggregative method for the following data. Think simply what you do. 180, 200, 300, 500. 250, 500, 800. Correct. Simple aggregative method. So 800 divided by 500 into 100. Yes. What exactly the index number we are getting, my dear? 160. Now, cost of living index number, the year 2015 and 2018 were 97.5 and 115 respectively. The salary of CA Jitendra in 2015 was 195,000. How much additional salary was required to him from 2018 to maintain the same standard of living? So what is it? 195, this is basic salary plus X. Now you know, it's a cross multiplication. So you have calculator, right? So take your calculator. What exactly can be done? 7.5 to 105,000. To 500. 9.5 equal to 15 to you can ignore 000. After that we can add, but let it be. Let me just add it. To get 35,000. That's it. All 100 questions over. We are actually before time, it seems. Did I miss any of the sum? All the problems I did now. Today we completed before time, but actually all are what, time consuming problems. All are what, time consuming problems. Sir, 94 ones. Oh, I did not. Oh, okay. For m by n 2-way or bivariate frequency table, the maximum number of marginal distribution is. Okay, there are 2 marginal distributions we will have. 68 also we left. Okay. I said I'll come. Oh, okay. There is maybe a mistake I said, na? Batsman in his 20th innings, because the average is not matching. That's what. Okay. See, I will give you the procedure. I'll give you the procedure what exactly to be done. A batsman in his. Yes, Om Patel, I'm going to recheck. A batsman in his 20th innings makes a score of 120 and thereby increases his average by 5. See, listen here. Batsman after making 120, the average increases by 5. That means For 19 matches, let me take his average as X. Okay. So, sum of all 19 matches is going to be what? 19x. Am I right, my dear? Now what happens? 20th match he makes 100. So which is nothing but 19x plus 120. This is total number of scored in 19 matches plus 120, 20th match. So what exactly happens? Plus 5. It is increasing by 5. Now, what is the average after 20th innings is the question. What is the average after 20th innings is the question. First, let me just find out what is X is nothing but. I'm not getting, that's what I said. No? There is a 20th innings is be wrong. Don't know what number will come. Okay. I wanted to check some number 30. Okay. The fifth term of an AP is 40. The term fifth term of an AP of 40 terms is minus 29. First is minus 29. The term is minus. Okay. Total number of terms 40. Find the sum of all positive terms of AP. Now listen here, my dear. A plus 4D is equal to minus. What is A is minus 29 plus 4D. Guys, I have got time now, so I can do it slowly. So 4D is equal to 14. D is equal to 6 by 2, which is 5. Since they ask you to find out sum of all positive terms, okay, positive number. So what I do is check. This is my 55th term, 6th term, 7th term, 8th term. What is it? 7, 7, 14. Minus 15, minus 14 is, yes, of course. First term is going to be 2.5 for the positive term, right? First term will be what? 2.5, correct? So common difference is 3.5. Let me check. So total how many terms? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So out of 40 terms, 10 terms already gone. We have got only 30 terms now. So yes, 30 is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is what I'm getting, my dear. Get 1597.5. I don't know, even 1705, I'm not getting it. Okay. Yes. If at all needed, I'll recheck and I'll let you know in the group only. Okay. Fine. So today we have completed another set of question. Today we have completed. Shivam, I will not suggest these type of sums. Actually, it is what, time consuming problem. See, of course, I've just took the question paper and I'm just solving it, right? So here what happens, you have seen it. There are so many questions. I was taking too much time. Sir, no, sir, you just did everything on time only, na, sir. No, my dear, it is not like that. Okay. I know I'm little bit, fast in calculation, so I'm able to do it. But it doesn't apply to you people. So please understand, there are few lengthy questions. This 30th question, I will tell you which are the questions we are not supposed to approach. 30th, I will not say. Just note down my number, my dear. Note down my number. Okay. You can message me. I will share the Telegram link. Okay. See, these questions now, always, time consuming. Okay. Even in this chapter, in this question paper, all the logical reasoning questions were time consuming. If you ask me, okay, all the logical reasonings were time consuming. Okay. So there are few questions. See, this question paper, if at all, if you are doing this question paper, what I suggest is this question paper is a little tricky question paper. It is not that simple, but the difficult part is logical reasoning. Okay, difficult part is logical reasoning. Difficult part is permutation combination. You may find it a little difficult. Okay. Yes. So that's all with our today's session, my dear. Thank you, all of you. Are you all satisfied with these type of sessions, my dear? If you are okay with that, we can have more number of sessions. I am ready to solve with you people. Okay, more questions after we'll solve. After module coverage, what shall we approach to? See, only paper solving. Only paper solving will help. Okay. Paper solving only is going to help you out. If you want to prepare nicely this time, if you want to clear and if you want to get good marks, so only practice now henceforth. No new topics to be prepared. We have to keep on solving papers. Keep on solving papers. Next time, yeah, thank you. Next time what we do is, I will tell you the date and the time. Okay, I think December 1st, 2nd, 3rd we said, right? But still, I will just put it in the Telegram group. All are requested to join. Okay, all are requested to join. We will solve 3 more question papers. See what you need to do daytime. You prepare other 3 papers. Okay, and give me 2 hours or 2.5 hours. So next time and all, let me not do time bound. I will solve each and every question little slowly. But still, whatever slow speed I am going to do, I will complete before 2 hours only. But it is up to you, my dear. And tomorrow we have our max test, preliminary examination. I want you to write it very carefully. It is going to be app based exam only. So try to do it, my dear. Okay. So we will meet after 30th of November. That is 1st December we will meet. Thank you all of you. Bye everyone. Have a nice day. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Good night. Sweet dreams. Can you teach inverse sums from S sets? Yesterday I taught home. Actually, it's some trick also I taught. I taught some trick also. Now, what I will do is, guys, wait. Before you leave, let me announce one more thing. There are few more hacks I have got, and which is very important. Even inverse function hack, even in sequence and series, ratio type hacks. Generally, they are asking in the examination. So what we do is, one day we will do only some important type of questions, and I'll teach you the trick. Inverse super duper hack, yesterday only I taught. I don't know how many of you are able to do it. We will do that session, my dear. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye bye, good night, sweet dreams. Please stay in touch, so that, and also stay connected to us. Lot of updates will be coming, so please click notification button and subscribe this channel, so that whenever I put videos, automatically notification will come. Thank you all of you. Bye everyone. Good night, sweet dreams. So what happened, sir? I did the inverse trick with your trick. Did you get the answer? But facing some problem because it's new to me. It will take little time. Yeah. Good night. Good night. We'll do it home. We have time. Don't worry. I will teach. Okay. I will teach. Don't